Oh!
Where are we going, Dan?
We are going to Gloucester.
Any particular reason?
Just fancy the drive. So the place that we've gone, the last time we went there, we were in our car. And if you know it already, it's got a massive entrance, like a steep entrance bit to it. So I don't know if the van will make it. Last time we did it in a minibus, not me and Jess, but me personally, it couldn't get up. We got stuck. So, yeah.
Gluten-free greetings.
I'm not getting up this hill.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. What are we going to do? Just leave it out on the road here somewhere?
Nah, I'll try it.
Well, I'll film it.
I'm gonna have to go to the end of the road and turn around.
Basically, he's not going to make it up this hill, so he's going to have to go to the end of the road and turn around, and he's going to try and get up the car park.
Oh, look at you getting up that hill like no issues.
It's an automatic, don't forget.
Alright, here is the hill. It doesn't look like much, but the angle of it, if we were coming from that way... Oh. Maybe if we come from this way, it's hard as well. It doesn't even look that bad on the camera.
Say hi. Hi. Laura's helping us film.
I'm doing my job.
She's one of Dan's oldest friends. Not oldest in age, oldest in...
I am.
I just realised that probably sounds so bad.
She's old and pensionary. Slay queen.
This is Erin. Say hi. ASAP. They're like, what date? We were like, now.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Tubing. I've got to have some fun as well.
Right, on that side, you want to just drag yourself off using the metal bars. Ready?
What? Oh my god, this is quite fast! Oh my god! That's really fast! That was so much faster than I was expecting.
It's funny how quickly a day can change on the slopes, because whilst I was off having the time of my life tubing,
Oh my god.
the boys decided to crank things up a notch. Erin went first and, well, it started strong, then turned into a bit of a thumbs down situation.
What did you do, Erin?
I fell over down there, caught the ski on the edge of the jump, and my wrist hurt and my thumb is purple.
Oh god.
I can't move it, it makes a lot.
Oh no.
But of course, that didn't stop him. Nope, he ditched the poles entirely and decided to ski down without them instead.
Yeah, take a break. Good job.
Almost came out my ass. So I would have been vomit out the top and probably.
Then came Reese's turn, and not long after this shot, he followed in Erin's footsteps, quite literally, which only left Dan.
So close! I was so close! No! Not quite. I need to be, basically, less of a fuming. I made it up.
Oh! Are you okay?
Oh, is he alright?
Who?
Dan.
I think everybody's done today. Man. Jesus.
3 in a row.
Are you okay?
Back up you go, though.
She's over with them, but I just, when I saw that she was in the middle, I was like, oh, is he alright?
Uh-oh. Oh no.
What happened?
I don't know.
Can we get it off?
Oh, Jess.
I've got it, don't worry.
Well, she's still recording him, so I would imagine.
Oh yeah, she's got the camera out. He can't be that bad if she's still recording him.
Probably laughing.
Catch that. Yeah, she's like, cry, honey. Cry.
Can you please shed one tear for the
She's
camera?
like, sorry, can you pretend to fall again? I'm going to get it from a different angle.
Hit my butt. Moss grabbed my board and I flipped.
We're good?
I tried to turn where it goes from carpet to this brush, and I think the corner of my board just went, oh yeah, look.
Oh, yeah.
It caught, and it just went, not today.
Are we calling it a day?
I'm out of breath, man.
Give me like 10 minutes.
Is it food time? Food break.
Yeah.
I've walked up this hill too many times.
My butt hurts. I landed on my butt. I've done this long enough to know when to stop.
Did you even get the thing where you hit it over? Get over that.
Oh yeah, I made it over.
Yeah, but you fell after.
Yeah, that was after. I made it over.
Well, so you did the fall on purpose?
No. Yeah, I did actually, yeah.
So that means if you did it on purpose, then surely you knew what was going to happen.
You wait until we're in the mountains. You wait.
So So guys, very successful day on the slopes today. We had 3 people, Dan, Erin and Reese, all on the slopes, either skiing or snowboarding. 3 out of 3 have injured themselves. Dan has hurt his coccyx. He took a tumble. He is struggling to walk right now. Look, he's managing to drive alright, so that's good. Reese has hurt his thumb, and then Erin, we think, may have either sprained or broken his thumb. And he's currently got ice on it, so he's definitely been the worst. Well, I don't know. He's walking, so he hasn't broken his back, so that's a positive. Next time, I will be learning how to ski or snowboard, which will be fun. How's your day been, Dan?
It's been good, other than the hurties. Successful day.
Beautiful. We'll catch you next week.